Hi guys, welcome back to the Pokemon Empire YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over how to use Pokemon files from your computer. So on my server, the Pokemon Empire, we have different channels. We have the bot channels and we have our file channels here. They're divided out into sections. We have Scarlet and Violet. We have our bots at the top and all our file channels underneath, followed by Pokemon Legends Arceus with our bot channels files underneath, and it goes in chronological order from when the games were released. So we have from Gen 7, this covers Sun, Moon, Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee. Then we have Sword and Shield, Brilliant Diamond, Shining Pearl, Legends Arceus, and then Scarlet and Violet. It doesn't matter which files you use, you make sure you're using the right files for the right bots. Today, for our example, we're just going to use the latest bot, Scarlet and Violet. As you can see over here on our right, we have all our files preloaded here. These are all 6IV and shiny. Well, the ones that can be anyways. So to use a file that's already pre-made, all you have to do is click this little download button. And we'll just wait for our file to download. And this will be downloaded to wherever you have your default downloads going to. Mine is just goes to the downloads folder. So once this gets done downloading, we'll go there. My internet's super slow. Alright, it's done downloading. So all we have to do is go into our files, go to downloads, and we have our file right here. So to make a trade, we just go to the bot channel. And all you have to do is drag and drop this file and type %trade. Now, most of the bots on my server use the %trade command. All the ones that I own anyways. Some of them that I don't own have a different command, but we put all the commands in the bot names for convenience. So in case you forget it, all of them can be found in the bot's name. So all I do is type %trade and alright, so it says initializing your trade, so we don't have to worry about that. But that's just how you use the file from the computer. That's how you use the pre-made files that are on my server. If you have PKHex and you like to use your own files, you can do that as well. If you haven't seen my tutorial video on how to use PKHex, check that out on my YouTube page. A link to it is also in my server. So in that video will be in the how to use bots channel right here, close to the top. Anyway, so how to use a file from PKHex. These already made. My tutorial video will show you how to do all this and make all these files at one time, and then you can dump them into a folder and just drag and drop them as you need them. But for an individual file, once you have your Pokemon made, you just right click, save as, and save it to location on your computer. I'm going to save it to the desktop just for convenience. There we go, there's our Charmander. And all we have to do, same process, drag and drop, and type %trade, and hit enter. And that'll add us to the queue. So that's how you use the files from your computer. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on here or on Discord.